This section will explain how we're going to initiate, or wet, the wet section flow path of the HIAC 9703 Plus instrument with some Milli-Q water in a small beaker. When everything is set up, your unit is powered up, the sensor has been installed properly, and your waste goes directly to your waste container. Please don't forget your waste container free-falling here. We'll go to the front of the unit, to the left side, where you'll find your syringe controls. On the left side, we need to bring down the arm. For that, we'll go to the right. Press the large diamond button to bring the sipper tube into the liquid. We want to pull sample through the system slowly, but we don't know what condition the sensor is in. So before we do that, we're going to do a couple of fast flushes. For that, we're going to press the syringe side diamond button. As you see here, we're starting to pull some sample into the syringe. And it's perfectly normal to have some liquid missing in the syringe. Only partial volume is observed in the syringe because we are pulling extremely fast. Bear in mind, the entire flow path was empty, and the whole line was empty, so we need to prime it and fill it properly. So let's go ahead and rinse that a couple of times here. We'll press this diamond button for the syringe twice. We're now pushing our sample out to waste, and we'll do this once or twice again. And you'll notice it fills up quite slowly there. And one more time, watch the contents of the syringe. Once we complete this, we flush the sensor. Now we can do this as many times as we want. Obviously, the more we do it, the better off we are. But what we want to do is ensure that we flush the sensor sufficiently. What we need to do is to flush some air through this. So we're going to bring the arm back by pressing the right side diamond button. We'll go back to the left side diamond syringe control, pull some air through it, and empty it. Now, our entire system has been flushed with ultra-pure water and is again full of air. So we need to prime ultra-pure water through the system because we want to get all the air out of the system, and especially out of the sensor cell, which is the center line of this HRLD sensor. So we go back to the right side of the keypad, and we'll lower the arm back into the sample. This time, instead of using the syringe diamond button, we're going to use the syringe up triangle button, and this will slowly pull sample through the system. We've now completed the slow pull, so it pulled one full syringe, 10 milliliters, and pushed it to waste. The flow path is now full of sample, in this case, ultra-pure water with no bubbles inside. Thank you for completing the training video for flushing and priming the solution flow path for the HIAC 9703 Plus instrument.